closing.
Right then, Karen looking around the Whitgift Centre and now into the other one of the two really nice Schindler Intelligent Living lifts in the centre of the shopping centre. And outside of this lift, they've got the sign the wrong way round. The floors here 1, 2 and 3. They've written it the other way round, so that one's at the top, 3's at the bottom. I've never seen floor signs written that way round before. That's just really weird.
Doors closing. Level 1. Doors opening.
And now along to some of the car park lifts. These are some old 1970s lifts which have been modernised by Schindler. And they have Schindler Eurolift MRL buttons, but when you press the button it doesn't go boo. You can't have Schindler Eurolift buttons that don't make that sound.
Doors closing. Floor 6. Door opening. Door closing. Floor 0. Door opening.
And now go along into our shop, and the lift there is a nice Eco Disc. So then, can I guess what the code is? Nope, I can't. Bugger. And now go along to Marks and Spencer's, which are famous for having awesome lifts in their shops. Wait, no they're not. So then another crap lift in Marks and Spencer's, oh well.
Doors closing. Second floor. Doors opening. Lift out of service. Doors closing. Doors closing. Ground floor. Doors opening.
And now go along outside of the Whitgift Centre and along to the back of the car park, where there is some more lifts, which are some 70s lifts which are being modernised by stupid generic.
Closing. Going up. Level 6. Doors opening.
Spooky car park! And now along into Super Dry Japan.
Mind the doors, please. floor.
And now along to a little Schindler hydraulic lift, which isn't really that interesting.